how you doing? Stop studying English. Seriously, put down the book. It's time to learn real English with friends. Here we go.
Liam, quick question. Do you feel tired of studying English?
Yes, very tired.
Do grammar books feel heavy sometimes?
Yes, heavy and boring.
Do you want English to feel easier and lighter?
Wow, yes, I really want that.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I love TV shows.
Do you know the show Friends?
Yes, of course.
Do you watch Friends for fun?
Yes, just for fun.
What if Friends can also help you learn English?
Wow, really?
Do people in Friends speak real English?
Yes, real English.
Do they speak slowly and clearly sometimes?
Yes, many times.
Do they use simple words?
Yes, very simple words.
Do they talk about daily life?
Yes, daily life.
Like meeting friends, drinking coffee, and talking at home?
Yes, always coffee.
Does that make English feel familiar?
Yes, more familiar.
Do they greet each other a lot?
Yes, all the time.
Do you hear hey, hi, and what's up?
Yes, many times.
Can you use these greetings in real life?
Yes, I can.
Good job. Do they react a lot in conversations?
Yes, reactions.
Like, really? Oh no. And come on.
Yes, like that.
Do reactions help conversations feel natural?
Yes, very natural.
In Friends, do people talk about work?
Yes, about jobs.
Like working in a cafe or in an office?
Yes, like that.
Does that help you learn simple work English?
Yes, it helps.
Do they talk about problems at work?
Yes, small problems.
Do they complain sometimes?
Yes, a lot.
Do you hear phrases like, I'm so tired, or this is hard?
Yes, very common.
Can you use these phrases in your life?
Yes, I use them.
That's great. Do they talk about feelings too?
Yes, feelings a lot.
Like love, sadness, and happiness?
Yes, all feelings.
Do you hear phrases like, I like you, or I miss you?
Yes, many times.
Does that help you express feelings in English?
Yes, little by little.
Good job. Do they argue sometimes?
Yes, they argue.
Do they say things like, that's not fair?
Yes, I hear that.
Or, I don't agree.
Yes, that too.
Does that help you give opinions?
Yes, simple opinions.
Do they say sorry after arguments?
Yes, they say sorry.
Like, I'm sorry, or it's my fault.
Yes, very clear.
Can you use these phrases when you make mistakes?
Yes, I can.
That's great. Do they joke and laugh a lot?
Yes, always.
Does humor help you remember English?
Yes, I remember more.
Do you feel relaxed when you laugh?
Yes, very relaxed.
Does relaxing help learning?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Now, tell me, how do you watch Friends now?
In my language.
Can you change one thing to learn more English?
Yes, I can try.
Can you watch Friends in English with English subtitles?
Yes, I can do that.
Do English subtitles help you connect sound and words?
Yes, they help a lot.
Do you need to stop and translate every word?
No, not every word.
Do you focus on the story and the idea?
Yes, the idea.
Do pictures and actions help you understand?
Yes, very much.
Do you hear the same phrases in many episodes?
Yes, again and again.
Does repetition help learning?
Yes, repetition helps.
Do you repeat short phrases you like?
Yes, sometimes.
Like, how you doing?
Yes.
Or, no way.
Yes, I like that one.
Do you sometimes pause and listen again?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you copy the pronunciation?
Yes, I copy the characters.
Does copying help your accent?
Yes, a little.
Do you notice intonation, like happy or angry voices?
Yes, I notice.
Does that help you sound more natural?
Yes, more natural.
Do people interrupt each other in Friends?
Yes, they do.
Is that normal in real English?
Yes, I think so.
Do you learn how to enter conversations?
Yes, like, hey.
That's great. Do you hear informal English?
Yes, informal English.
Is that different from school English?
Very different.
But is it useful in real life?
Yes, very useful.
Do you hear contractions like I'm, don't, and can't?
Yes, all the time.
Do contractions help you speak faster?
Yes, faster.
Good job. Do you still learn grammar?
Yes, but naturally.
From listening, watching, and repeating?
Yes, exactly.
Do you feel pressure to be perfect when you watch?
No, no pressure.
Is that different from studying grammar books?
Yes, very different.
Do you feel more confident with English now?
Yes, more confident.
Do you speak more after watching Friends?
Yes, I try more.
Do you think about English less and feel it more?
Wow. Yes, I feel it more.
Do you notice small progress?
Yes, small progress.
Is small progress still progress?
Wow. Yes, it is.
Do you feel English is more alive now?
Yes, very alive.
Do you feel closer to the language?
Yes, closer.
Do you feel stuck now?
No, I don't feel stuck.
Do you enjoy learning English now?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you want to keep watching Friends to learn?
Yes, every day.
Even on busy days?
Yes, one episode.
About 20 minutes a day?
Wow. Yes, that's easy.
So, is Friends just entertainment?
No, it's English practice.
Exactly. So, what should learners do?
Learners should stop studying so much and watch Friends.
Perfect.
Wow, learning English feels fun now. Wow, I've learned a lot, but where can I practice more?
On Quick Speak Q&A.
See you in the next episode.